How do you say this? 9 out of 10 are going to say comfortable. But that's the incorrect pronunciation. The correct pronunciation of this word is comfortable. Comfortable. Repeat after me. Comfortable. That's the correct pronunciation. And today I'm going to teach you 15 words that Nepalese pronounce wrong, and I'm going to help you correct those mistakes and pronounce them right in standard British accent. Even after learning a lot of vocabulary and grammar, people sound boring when they speak English because they ignore the pronunciation. And so let's begin with this word. How do you say this? Restaurant? No. Its correct pronunciation is restaurant. Repeat after me. Restaurant. 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 Alright. And what do you eat when you go to the restaurant? I eat pizza. Do you say pizza? This is not pizza. We call it pizza. Pizza. This is the correct pronunciation of this word. And now let's go to the next word. Look at this word. Now, many Nepalese people say stomach. Correct pronunciation is stomach. Repeat after me. Stomach. This is, and let's move on to the next word now. How do you say this word? Development. No, that is wrong. Try saying development. And the correct pronunciation is development, not development. And look at this suffix in this word, ment. When any words end with this suffix, ment, we don't say meant, we say month. So it will be government, development, this way. Let's move to the next word now, and next word we have very confusing word. Nepalese say cupboard. Even I forget that Nepali pronunciation. Cupboard. This way people say cupboard. But this is not cupboard. This is cupboard. Remember first rule that P is silent here. We shouldn't say P, cup, and bird. And when we combine these two syllables, it becomes cupboard. Alright. Look at the next word now, and this is one of the days of the week. Wednesday. Many people say Wednesday. This is not Wednesday. This is Wednesday. Wednesday. Did you get it? All right. Next word we have here, again the day of the week, one of the days of the week, and this is this one. How do you say this? Saturday. Oh, I remembered my school days. We would say Saturday is holiday, but that is not Saturday. This is Saturday. Now combine these syllables together and it becomes Saturday. Alright. Let's move to the next word now. What do you eat in your breakfast? Not breakfast. This is called breakfast. Alright. Alright, what do you like to eat in your breakfast? I like to eat fruit, not fruit. Say it, fruit, fruit. All right. Next word we have here. This word. How do you say this? Vegetable, not vegetable. We say this vegetable, 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 vegetable. Did you get it? All right. Let's move on to the next word. This word. I hear many students saying clothes, clothes. This is not clothes. This is clothes, 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 clothes. Repeat after me. Clothes. All right. Next word we have here. This word, how do you say this? Many people say vehicle, vehicle. This is called vehicle, 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 vehicle. All right. This word. Have you gone to hotel? How do you please say this word? Hotel, hotel, hotel. This is not hotel. This is hotel, 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 hotel. All right. We are down to the last word now, and this is this word. How do you say this word? Cousin. This is called cousin, cousin, cousin. All right. All right. That's all for today. Find this video helpful, like this video, leave your feedbacks in the comment section below, and share this video among your friends to whom it may be worth watching. And if you're watching this on YouTube, definitely subscribe my YouTube channel for more English learning videos like this in future, and see you in the next pronunciation class. Thank you.